In the Baby Shark song, your hand is the shark. You start with your finger and your thumb for Baby Shark. You use your whole hand to make brother, and I like to do Sister Shark too. Just use your other hand. Mama Shark is both hands. Papa Shark is both arms with your hands. You could add aunts and uncles and grandmas and grandpas to this if you like to. Anything you like always goes when you're singing a song. And at the end of the song, you swim, so just make swimming gestures with your arms. And the very last thing is a gotcha, which is why this is so much fun to sing with a little kid. Something like this. Baby shark, doot, 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 brother shark, doot, 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 brother shark, doot, 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 sister shark, doot, 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 sister shark, doot, 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 mama 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 shark, doot, 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 papa shark, doot, 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 papa shark, doot, 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 papa shark, doot, 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 papa shark, doot, 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 doot. Then we swim, 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 swim from the shark, swim, 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 swim. Then we swim, 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 swim from the shark, swim, swim, swim. Gotcha!